Hello guys, welcome back to Narayan Projects. Today we are going to see the demonstration of a river cleaning robot, which is an automated robot. Actually, this project is a proof of concept, that is POC. Actually, the initiative of this project we have taken from the river banks, where we can see lot of waste plastic bottles and a lot of waste materials are staggered over the river, so river or pond, whatever it may be. So based on the case, we have designed this project. Actually, the entire project is a POC, so we made a model. So actually we used plastic PVC pipes to make a frame, and a controller unit which consists of two ultrasonic sensors. One is for obstacle detection. So basically this robot is an automated robot, so if any obstacle is detected, it will take an alternate way and it will go and collect the waste. This is how the entire project was designed. And another ultrasonic sensor was kept to identify the waste in front of the robot. So the robot will detect the waste using this ultrasonic sensor. So these two ultrasonic sensors are important for the operation of this project. And here you can see, now I'm showing my finger, so it will automatically adjust the wheels, okay, and looking for alternate ways. So now the robot is going reverse and taking left or right direction, and it will again move forward. So whenever the bin is detected, it will automatically take it through that space, and it will put it on the robot. So here you can see, now my people is showing some kind of waste in front of the ultrasonic sensor. The bucket will automatically collect and it will throw it in the basket. Here you can see. So this is how the entire project was designed. This robot is completely powered by solar, so there is no need of charging at all. So if we drop this robot in the water, it will automatically collect the waste. So this is the real-time demonstration. So you can see the model is floating well in the water. So we are in future we are fine-tuning this project with some more features like camera integration like that. But this one is based on ultrasonic sensor, so the accuracy will be very less, and this is a very low cost module. And this is an completely autonomous, no manual interruptions are there. So in future, if you want, we can able to integrate it with manual features also.